Hello, my dear viewers. Welcome back to my new video. I hope you are doing well today. Today, I want to talk about a very powerful habit. This habit can truly change your life. Many successful people practice this habit every single day. It helps them become stronger and more confident. The habit is talking to yourself. You may think, talking to myself? Isn't that strange? No, my friend, it is not strange at all. It is actually very healthy. It is a habit that builds a strong mind. It helps you become your own best supporter. Let me explain. We talk to many people every day. We talk to family. We talk to friends. We talk to people around us. But sometimes we forget to talk to the most important person in our life. And that person is ourselves. Talking to yourself means understanding your own mind. It means listening to your feelings. It means supporting yourself when life becomes difficult. It means reminding yourself that you matter. Because yes, you truly matter. 1. It helps you know yourself. When you talk to yourself, you understand your real feelings. You understand your real dreams. You begin to see what your heart really wants. This is very important for personal growth.
Ask yourself simple questions. What am I feeling today? What do I want to achieve? What is stopping me from growing? What truly makes me happy? What is hurting my mind? When you ask these questions, your heart answers. Slowly, you begin to know yourself better. And when you know yourself, life becomes clearer. 2. It gives you confidence. Life can be difficult sometimes. We feel weak. We feel scared. We feel alone. But remember this: you are always with yourself. You are never truly alone. In those moments, talk to yourself. Say, I believe in myself. I can do this. I am strong. I will keep going. I am doing my best, and it is enough. These small sentences are powerful. Your mind hears them. Your thoughts become positive. Your confidence grows little by little. And slowly, you begin to trust yourself again. 3. It helps you make better decisions. Life is full of choices. Some choices are easy. Some are very difficult. Sometimes we feel confused. Sometimes we don't know what to do. When you talk to yourself calmly, you think more clearly. Ask yourself, what is the right thing to do? What will help my future? How can I solve this problem? What will give me peace? Your own voice can guide you, because no one knows your life better than you. Your heart always knows the truth.
4. It reduces stress and anxiety. Many people are stressed today. They feel pressure. They feel worried. They feel tired inside. Talking to yourself can help you relax. Sit alone for a few minutes. Take a deep breath. Speak to yourself softly. It's okay. I am learning. I am growing. I will be all right. Everything will settle with time. These words comfort your mind. This is like giving your heart a warm hug, and your heart needs love too. How to start talking to yourself. You don't need any special place or time. You just need a quiet moment. You can do it in the morning. You can do it before sleep. You can do it while walking. You can even do it in your mind, silently. Speak softly. Speak slowly. Speak kindly. Never use negative words. Do not say, I am useless. I can't do anything. I am a failure. These words hurt your mind. They make your heart weaker. Use positive words. Speak with love. Speak with care, because you deserve love from yourself. Conclusion. Talking to yourself is not crazy. It is wise. It is smart. It is powerful. When you talk to yourself, you understand your heart. You feel stronger. You make better decisions. You become peaceful. So from today, make this a daily habit. Talk to yourself. Encourage yourself. Motivate yourself. Love yourself. Because you are your best friend. You are your support. You are your strength. And you are your own light. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this message, please like the video, share it, and subscribe to Smooth English Talks for more simple and inspirational content. Take care, stay positive, and keep talking to yourself with love. Thank you for watching. Keep growing, keep improving, and always be kind to yourself. Goodbye for now.